So have a look at this question, pause it if you need to. So this is write down, and whenever a question asks me to write down, it's usually actually an easy thing. And I'm going to show you the second solution is x equals 3 minus root 2. And basically it's the conjugate of that one. Okay? Now, why that happens, I'm going to actually show you this using by showing you the quadratic equation, but it's similar if you've done a complex number one, they also come in pairs. So what I'm going to do is do the second question and it'll explain why I got that answer for the first one. So if I'm looking for the quadratic equation that gives the two zeros, I'm going to take the factorization part. So I'm going to take the x, I'm going to take away 3 plus root 2, and I'm going to just zoom in a bit here. And I'm going to do the other one, which is x minus 3 minus root 2. And because I'm looking for zeros, these have to equal 0, and I'm going to make up the equation. So I'm going to expand this and make it x squared. When I times x by that second bracket here, it's going to give me minus 3 plus root minus 3x plus, because of the minus outside the bracket here and inside here, plus root 2x. Going to do the second with these. So I'm going to get minus 3x minus root 2x. Then I'm going to multiply the two brackets together. Minus times a minus is a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 3 root 2. And then this one gets times by this one to give me positive. Sorry, need to do this one times this one to positive root 3, 2. And if you've done anything with the complex number work before, you'll see that basically, and then minus times minus, that this is very, very similar. And all of that equals 0. Now, actually, all my non-rational numbers, so all the ones with square roots, they're all going to disappear. So I've got x squared. This cancels with this. This cancels with this. Minus 6x. And then at the end, I've got 3. And I've got minus 2. So that's plus 7 equals 0. And what you can do is you can just double check this, either just putting it into a quadratic solver in your calculator, or you could just do the quadratic formula and just double check that those come out exactly as they do. 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2.